Hello friends and welcome back to MZ Learning. Friends, Open Core Legacy Patcher just upgraded to version 0.6.0. And here is what's new in this version, as well as, how can we properly upgrade to this new version. So friends, when you run Open Core Legacy Patcher, you will see something like this screen, which will tell you that you are using an older version, and that a newer version is available for upgrade. Just click on View on GitHub. This update of Open Core Legacy Patcher is a major upgrade. Many long-awaited features are finally landing, include support for a number of hardware and services in macOS Ventura. The good news is this release expands the hardware range for macOS Ventura. Now you can install macOS Ventura on more unsupported Macs, just like MacBook 2008 to 2016, MacBook Air 2009 to 2017, MacBook Pro 2008 to 2016, Mac Mini 2009 to 2017, iMac 2007 to 2016, and Mac Pro 2008 to 2018. If you want to see the step-by-step installation of macOS Ventura on these unsupported Macs, then the link to this video is in the video description. Anyway, this update also includes support for non-metal graphics cards in macOS Ventura. Some features are still not supported, just like Stage Manager is unsupported. AMFI needs to be disabled. Bluetooth pairing is currently semi-functional. If you want to see overall non-metal support and associated issues, click here. If you want to see the applicable models list, click here. This update also adds support for legacy wireless cards in macOS Ventura. You can see a list of applicable models here. Open Core Legacy Patcher 0.6.0 also adds support for UHCI, OHCI USB 1.1 controllers in macOS Ventura. And here is the list of applicable models. Here is some good news for the Mac Pro and iMac users who manually upgrade their graphics card to AMD Radeon Vega 56, AMD Radeon Vega 64, and AMD Radeon 7. Now they will enjoy the support of their GPU in macOS Ventura on unsupported Mac. This update also adds support for Apple's newly introduced Rapid Security Response System for more machines. You can see the applicable models list here. If you want to see a full change log of bug fixes, then click on this arrow. And here is the complete list of bug fixes and features added in this version. Now scroll down and download Open Core Legacy Patcher. After downloading, go to your download folder and drag Open Core Legacy Patcher to your application folder. Now run Open Core Legacy Patcher. Click on Build and Install Open Core button. Click on Install to Disk. If your Mac has more than one hard drives, select the hard drive on which you have installed macOS Ventura. Click on EFI button. Type your admin password and hit the Enter key. Now reboot your Mac. After reboot, run Open Core Legacy Patcher. Click on Post-Install Root Patch. If there are any available patches for your system, just install by clicking Start Root Patching button. Type your admin password and hit the Enter key. Root patching starts automatically after downloading. After that, you'll see the Reboot button. Click on Reboot button and restart your Mac. We have now successfully upgraded our Open Core Legacy Patcher to 0.6.0 on our unsupported Mac. Now it's time to upgrade macOS Ventura if you want. Go to your system settings. Click on General and then click on Software Update. Now click on the Update Now button and download and install macOS Ventura updates. After installing the macOS Ventura updates, once again run the Open Core Legacy Patcher. And click on the Post-Install Root Patch. If there are any available patches for your system, just install them and that's all. So friends, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please show your support by hitting the like button and consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.